This video will show you how to create and explore a pivot table in Qlik Cloud. In the Assets panel, open Charts. Under Visualization, drag a pivot table onto the sheet. Now let's add row dimensions to organize the data. In this example, we'll add city, country, and market. Pivot tables drill down row dimensions in the order they're added, allowing hierarchical exploration of the data. Next, let's add column dimensions for time-based analysis. We'll use year, quarter, and month. You can decide to hide these columns from the pivot table, but users can enable them in the chart exploration. Now let's add measures to analyze performance. In this example, we'll add sales, cost, and discount percentage. With dimensions and measures in place, the pivot table is ready for analysis. To allow users to interact with the pivot table during analysis, we can enable Chart Exploration. Turn on Chart Exploration, then choose how the panel should appear for users. Now let's explore the pivot table. For example, dimensions and measures can be reordered or temporarily removed for a different analytical perspective. We can expand row dimensions to drill into more detailed information. Expanding rows reveals deeper levels in the hierarchy. You can also collapse dimensions to return to a summarized view of the data. Pivot tables in Qlik Cloud provide a flexible way to organize, explore, and analyze data interactively. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.